This 2018 Grand Design Reflection 320 MKS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Clermont, New Jersey, 08210 and is offered for sale by Driftwood RV Center. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Driftwood RV Center.